What I eat after my ACV drink. The ultimate metabolic reset breakfast. Part 1. The why behind the meal. So, you've started your day with the apple cider vinegar tonic we discussed in our last video. Your metabolism is primed, and your insulin sensitivity is heightened. But now comes the most critical moment of your day, the first meal. In the United States, the standard American breakfast is a metabolic nightmare: bagels, muffins, orange juice, and sweetened yogurt. If you eat these after your ACV, you are essentially pouring water on a fire you just started. According to research from Healthline, consuming a high-protein breakfast helps stabilize ghrelin, your hunger hormone, and reduces the desire to snack by up to 60% throughout the day. Today, I'm showing you exactly what I eat to maintain a flat glucose line. We are targeting a specific golden ratio for the morning: 30 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, and healthy fats. This combination ensures that the energy from your food is released like a slow-burning candle, not a wildfire. Part 2. Option number 1, the Power Scramble. My go-to meal is the savory Power Scramble. Eggs are often called nature's multivitamin. WebMD confirms that eggs are an excellent source of choline, which is vital for brain health and focus, something we all need for those morning Zoom calls. The recipe: I use 3 whole organic eggs. Don't throw away the yolk. The yolk contains the healthy fats that actually help you absorb vitamins A, D, and E. I sauté a handful of spinach and mushrooms first. Why? Because fiber is the net that catches sugar. The Science of Satiety, a study published in the International Journal of Obesity, found that people who ate eggs for breakfast lost 65% more weight than those eating a bagel with the same calorie count. When you pair the high-quality protein of eggs with the fiber of spinach, you are telling your brain, we are full, we are safe, and we don't need sugar. Part 3. Option number 2. The Pro-Metabolic Smoothie. I get it, some mornings you're in a rush. You're heading to the office in Manhattan or dropping kids off in Austin, and you don't have time to fry eggs. That's where the Pro-Metabolic Smoothie comes in. But be careful. Most American smoothies are just liquid candy. If your smoothie is all bananas and dates, your blood sugar will spike just as fast as a soda. Here is the Optimum AHUS formula. 1. The base: unsweetened almond milk or water. 2. The protein: 1 scoop of high-quality grass-fed whey or pea protein, aim for 25 to 30 grams. 3. The glucose buffer: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds. The Mayo Clinic highlights that fiber from flax seeds can help improve digestive health and lower LDL bad cholesterol. 4. The fat: a tablespoon of almond butter. 5. The veggie: a handful of frozen cauliflower. Trust me, you can't taste it, and it makes it creamy. This smoothie follows the ACV principle. It keeps your insulin low while giving your muscles the amino acids they need to recover from your morning workout. Part 4. Option number 3. Smoked salmon and sourdough. If you crave bread, let's talk about sourdough. Unlike highly processed white bread, authentic sourdough goes through a fermentation process. This fermentation breaks down some of the gluten and lowers the glycemic index. I top 1 slice of toasted sourdough with a thick layer of Greek yogurt as a spread or cream cheese, and then smoked salmon. The omega-3 factor. Smoked salmon is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. U.S. health experts emphasize that omega-3 reduce internal inflammation, which is the root cause of insulin resistance and premature aging. When you eat this, you aren't just eating breakfast. You are eating a cellular repair kit. You get complex carbs for the brain, protein for the muscles, and omega-3 for the heart. It's the ultimate way to follow up your ACV tonic. Part 5. Conclusion and the 2-hour rule. The final secret to this morning routine is the 2-hour rule. After you've finished this high-protein meal, try not to snack for at least 2 to 3 hours. This allows your body to enter the post-absorptive state where it burns its own stored fat for fuel instead of relying on constant sugar inputs. By combining the ACV drink with these protein-rich meals, you are taking control of your biology. You will notice that the hangry feeling disappears, your skin starts to glow, and your weight stays. CTA. I've put the full recipes in the description below. If you want my 7-day high-protein breakfast PDF, comment recipe below and I'll send it over. Don't forget to subscribe to Optimum US for more science-backed longevity tips. Tomorrow, we tackle the 5 worst morning habits. You don't want to miss that one. Stay vibrant.